We've got a cool thing that we do on the first of every month in our company. We identify members of the community that have necessary plumbing repair needs and just simply no way to afford them. And we put them up on our schedule on the first business day of every month, and we go take care of their plumbing needs absolutely free of charge. We call the program #Family First, and it's one of the best days of the month. Our next Family First call that we're going to, a lady who is in need of a new toilet and a couple of new faucets. This one is kind of unique because we actually did a little bit of work for her last month during our last round of Family First work, where we removed the toilet and the two faucets. There was a substantial amount of water damage that had occurred. She had to work with her insurance company and get all of that cleaned up and everything else. A little over a month ago, she came home to a bunch of water damage, some water coming down in her garage, and it was from a toilet that had broken and flooded the house and was coming down through the garage. We didn't ask, but I have a feeling there's a lapse of insurance there or something that was keeping insurance from being able to come in and pay for this stuff. She was forced to pay for this out of pocket. That's kind of where our program is kind of nice and handy. We also learned that they are right in the middle of a separation between her and her husband, and that can also rock your world pretty hard. When life gets into a position where the last thing you need to worry about is your plumbing, that's where we have this program for, and it is really beneficial to people exactly in that position. We got her all taken care of, zero charge invoice. Again, we do these absolutely free of charge. She is all squared away. We are now done for the day.